Introducing the AEG 8000 series washing machines. Protecting the fibers of your clothes, wash after wash. In traditional washing machines, detergents and softeners are not fully diffused before reaching the clothes. AEG's patented RECOMENDed technology is unique. Water is first pre-mixed with detergent and then with softener before it enters the drum, so that it's fully dissolved and activated. The dissolved mixture is evenly distributed, reaching, cleaning and protecting every thread, stitch and fiber. The results look fantastic. The Ergo Power program is ideal for daily loads of up to 5 kilograms, washing in under an hour without compromising performance or sustainability. Using the plus steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room, no fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Powerfully gentle, for deeper fiber cleaning and softer results, the AEG 8000 series washing machines.
Is it enough to just clean the surface of your clothes? Invisible fungus and bacteria are hiding in your clothes. A healthy and clean solution from Panasonic. Blue AG plus bacteria elimination technology. OH radicals and silver ions, Ag+ attack fungus and bacteria effectively. Double disinfection for more reassurance. Panasonic Blue Ag+ bacteria elimination technology.
What's the secret to Cubal's amazing cleaning power and speed? The Active Foam system. Active Foam helps make possible amazing wash times as fast as 34 minutes. The difference foam can make is obvious. Liquid detergent acts slowly, but when converted to foam, it quickly surrounds and lifts dirt particles. That's why foam has so much more power to fight tough soiling. Here's how Cubal uses the power of foam to get clothes really clean. First, the washing machine mixes detergent with water under high pressure to produce extremely fine, dense foam. It then powerfully injects the foam onto the clothes from above. 7 jet showers powerfully drive the foam so it penetrates deep into clothing fibers and washes away the dirt. The dancing wash system features various types of motion to further enhance cleaning results. Thanks to all these technologies, even though the wash cycle takes just 34 minutes, stubborn dirt is removed and clothes come out beautifully clean. This super short wash time gives you more time with your family and makes life easier. The new Eco Drying System dries with a large volume of relatively low temperature air to dry clothes more efficiently and save energy. It's gentler on fabrics and minimizes any shrinkage. And the result is wonderfully dry and fluffy clothes. An EcoNavi washing machine knows how to be eco-friendly. 3 kinds of intelligent sensors do the key work. These 3 intelligent EcoNavi sensors detect laundry volume, fabric types, and water temperature for automatic savings of energy, water, and time. Simple, minimalist design. The flat acrylic front beautifully reflects its surroundings for an extra touch of style. Cuble's simple, stylish design harmonizes with any interior to enhance your premium lifestyle. Featuring the active foam system and amazing wash times as fast as 34 minutes, the Cuble Washer Dryer keeps your clothes looking beautiful and makes your life easier.
Introducing the AEG 7000 series washing machines. Effortlessly caring for your professional look by using steam at the end of the cycle to reduce creases and ironing. Pro Steam technology utilizes short, gentle steam programs to refresh creased clothes and safely remove odors for sharp results every time. Using the Plus Steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Impeccable results every time. The AEG 7000 series washing machines.
Hi, welcome back. Let's take a look at the washing technology that LG have built into their new 14 kilo top load washer. It's true that various items of clothing in your laundry basket are likely to have different types of stains. Some will have more dirt than others and different washing instructions, so they shouldn't always be washed in the same way. For example, some of my more delicate dresses require a more gentle wash than my 2 boys' rugby shirts that need a deep and thorough clean. That's why LG developed 6 motion washing technology. It's amazing. The idea behind the technology is that it copies various types of hand washing actions, such as rubbing, compressing, and agitating. The secret is in how the direct drive motor rotates the drum in different directions and at varying speeds to move the water around and through the clothes depending on the wash motion. All you do is choose the best wash cycle for the clothes being washed, and the machine does the rest. So if I want to wash my delicate items, I simply make a selection, and the machine works out the best possible combinations of wash motions. So you don't just get a high quality clean, you also get one that really takes care of your clothes.